Hello students, today I will provide you the next lecture of the new chapter, and the new chapter is the life in the Neolithic age. The lecture is 1 and the chapter is 3. So I have told you in the previous lecture that we will read more about the Neolithic age in the next lecture. So we have already learned that the Neolithic age. Neolithic age, we have seen the meaning of the Neolithic, that is the Greek word, and meaning is new stone age, and it began after the 8000 BC, and in this age man started growing their own foods and domesticated their animals, and they lead as a settled life. So one by one we will see that how they learn to grow crops and how they domesticate the animals. In early man were totally dependent on hunting and gathering. They changed a lot over the times, and they take many years to change their lives, and they change it from observing the world. So at first we will see that how they learn to grow the crops. Accidentally the seeds fell on the ground in the soil. The early man observed that if these seeds were left into the soil for a few days, they grow into a little plant, and after that they observed these things and try themselves. They used some seeds and they sowed into the soils, and after few days they found that there is a new plant. So as like that they started trying these things on other seeds, and they were now able to grow their own plants. But small plants take some time to convert into a big plant. After they takes many months or year to be a big plant, and then after they bear vegetable, fruits and nuts that they can use these things as a food. The small plants take many years and time to convert it into a big plant, and so the early man needed to protect these types of plant, because they can use these types of plant for eating, and they also protect these plants from the dangerous animals. After that they observed that water plant made it grow better. After watering the plant, they feel that the plant can grow in a better way. So they started to live near the lakes and rivers, and they started the plantation there. After the plants get ready, they yield crops, fruits and vegetables that they can use, because now they are cultivated the crops in a large amount, so they have much crops to eat, and sometimes they feel that it is enough, so then they feel that they have to store the food. So now they started to store their food. So we have seen that as like that they live as a settled life, because they need to live as at a place for long period of time to protect their crops and plants. So they started live as a settled life. So we can say that as like that, due to cultivation, we can say that due to cultivation they started live as a settled life. But there was a second point is also that also support the human beings to live as a settled life, that is rearing animals. After that they learn to rear animals. It also helps them to lead a settled life. They observed that some of the animals were quite gentle in nature like the sheep and goats. We can also say that sheep and goats were the first animals that they domesticated. So they started domesticated that animals, and they observed that after time passed they gave birth to their young ones, and if they felt that if they took care of these young ones, they will give birth to their young ones, and the number should increase, and due to this now we can use the milk and meat of the animals. So rearing of animals also help them to lead a settled life. So they now as a previous ages they less doing the work of the hunting, and they started doing the work of the cultivation and rearing animals. So we can say that the rearing of animals and cultivation of crops support them to lead as a settled life. Now we will see some of the occupation and activities during the Neolithic age, that after doing these things they started doing all some other things also to live for their livelihood, like the crop cultivation, domestication of animals, hunting and fishing, and they in the free time they also used to make some other things. So one by one we will see the brief explanation. I have already told you that about the crop cultivation, because in this in the Neolithic age they learned to grow their crops in a large amount. So they in this work, that means in the crop cultivation, man and women also involved, and women play an important role in the crop cultivation in like threshing, husking and grinding the food domestication of animals and domestication of animals. So in the work of the domestication of animals, they first started domesticated the sheep and goat. So very important it is that sheep and goat were the first animals they domesticated first. So in the for grazing the small flocks, the small boys were doing this work, and for grazing the big flocks, the men were doing that work. Now hunting and fishing, they rely less on hunting because now they have lots of work to do and they are living as a settled life. So fishing is common because they are now they were living near the rivers and lake, because now they have enough food and they started storing that food. So they started working in their free time, that means in the duration when the crops do not need any type of work. So they start to doing work in their free time, like the pottery, basket weaving, tools making, stitching cloths and building huts. So in this free time they started doing all some other activities like this, because now they have enough food, so they needed to be stored. So they started their food to store. In the Neolithic age, they store food in the pots and underground pit. In some Neolithic sites, there are also a rectangular structure of compartments. They used to store their food in these compartments. Early in the Neolithic age, the pots were handmade and not very decorative. But in the later time, they started using clay to make their pot. They also hardened this by baking into the fire. Then after they started using this rotating wheel, and after using the rotating wheels, the pots were very perfect, and they decorated it and started coloring the pots. So in this chapter, in this lecture, we have learned most of the things about the life in the Neolithic age, like how they learned to grow their own crops, how they started rearing the animals, and what type of occupation they did, and what type of things they were doing in their free times. And after they have a much food, they started storing their food in pits and pots and some other things also. So if you will face any type of problem in these topics, you can contact me in between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you.